We are going to be watching western North Texas closely this evening. We're already watching some thunderstorms northwest of DFW that are already severe. So we do have that severe thunderstorm watch. Counties have been removed from this since this afternoon. However, we still have Wise, Parker, Palo Pinto County, Young, Jack County included in our severe thunderstorm watch until 10. And this includes a lot of locations west of the area and to the north as well. This is for our WFA Weather Alert Day. Of course, this is something that we're going to be watching through the evening, so it'll be in place through the evening. Our impact will be the potential for thunderstorms that could produce quarter to golf ball size hail, 60+ mile per hour wind gusts. That does not mean everyone sees a thunderstorm today. It does not mean every thunderstorm will be severe, but those are going to be the main concerns. You want to make sure to have a way to receive warnings throughout the evening and download WFA Plus to your smart TV. We have been updating WFA Plus all afternoon, so maybe you joined us there. Maybe you're joining us from there right now. Okay, so right now we do have an active radar for our northwestern counties. It's really where we find our severe weather this afternoon. Right now, that cluster of thunderstorms have really expanded to include more counties, and right now a severe thunderstorm warning for Young County. We told you about this at the top of the hour, but this will be in place until 5. The coverage of the thunderstorm has really lowered, but a hail core really is showing up there along Highway 114. This is progressing towards the southeast, and it was moving about 30 miles per hour towards the southeast. So we'll continue to watch that. At the moment, I haven't seen any confirmation of hail in the area. We are looking also at another cluster of thunderstorms that have really lowered in coverage and in intensity, so just showers now along northeastern North Texas towards Bonham and Paris. Another area that I'm watching is towards the west. In West Texas, I should say. That's where we're seeing additional thunderstorms develop along a dry line, and those thunderstorms could very well make it into our western counties. So this is what it'll look like. Between 5 and 6, you'll see the cluster of thunderstorms really progress towards the south and stay mainly along our western counties. This is now between 6 and 7. You see these thunderstorms still working their way towards the south, but some additional showers expanding to include more of Denton, Collin, Fort Worth, Tarrant County, maybe even Dallas County seeing some of those showers. The bulk of the activity and the bulk of the strong activity will stay west of DFW today. This is now around 8 towards the end of our WFA Weather Alert Day, but I think a few of these thunderstorms could still kind of ramp up southwest of here, closer towards the hill country as these storms continue to progress towards the south for this evening. By midnight, most of us will be dry. I do think that we'll still see some lingering showers towards our south, and tonight it's going to stay cloudy. It's going to feel really humid. Friday, Saturday, humid, warm, but no rain. Rain returns Sunday into Memorial Day Monday, 40 to 60% coverage at this point. And it looks like our next front will be the one doing that rain or moving that rain into the area. This is now a Sunday morning around 7. You see that front well to the north, and eventually we'll see those storms kind of trekking towards the south. And then those storms will continue to linger in the area as this front works its way into North Texas. That front eventually stalls, and it keeps that rain in the area through Monday, which is why at this point rain coverage is slightly higher. The threat for severe weather does look low, but you need to be sure to keep checking back in. We are still several days away from that, so there is time for that to change. Right now we're looking at towards the University of North Texas's practice field, temperature of 84 degrees. It's a warm afternoon out there, warm and humid. And tonight, the temperature drops to about 68 degrees, 40% coverage of that rain, and that rain ending before midnight. Tomorrow, 91, it'll be warmer. It's going to be humid. Temperatures will stay in the 90s for Saturday. And on Sunday, we are looking at rain coverage going up to about a 40 to 60% Sunday, late in the day into Monday. And then a few 70s thrown in there, all thanks to that rain kind of sticking around. But 78 on Tuesday, 79 on Wednesday. It'll feel a lot better than the 91 tomorrow.